block, nigga. Straight hold it down, nigga. Rock, nigga. Can't stop, nigga. Motherfucker getting hot, nigga. Fucking with the wrong niggas. I can't help the way that we spittin'. Niggas know what I'm talking, this ain't no written. Tell my nigga Wayne that I'm coming in the game, and I'm bringing the flame. Blur, nigga. Got my nigga CB with me. He ain't playing no games, he brought the bitches with him. We ain't playing, got the lick too. Hennessy motherfuckers get blitzed too. On the Keisha, nigga. On the Keisha, nigga. You already know how we be, the reefer, nigga. We don't play no games, no lames, nigga. Stay in the frame.
I ain't never been a lame, just been a real nigga. Straight out the 828 FC, nigga. Straight Grimtown hustler. Always been focused on the money, I ain't never been a buster. Me and my nigga D-Mal in the booth, I don't do it all the time, I just speak the truth. And then we blowing on the Keisha. Man, I'm glad she back, yeah, I really fucking miss her. I love that bitch. Fuck that Mary Jane, we on that Keisha code. Frey on the HP, you know what they told. Fuck it, we with the 336 now, my nigga Frosty and my nigga DZ from the 704. Can't forget my nigga Joe, and we do this all the time, and we fucking all the hoes, and we blowing all that dro, that cushion, that loud. Where that diesel at? Uptown now.
And I'm uptown ready. Every time I step on the track, I keep it heavy. You don't wanna fuck with the boy if I break the levee. I keep the hands so steady. Cock back niggas wanna test my style. I came through, let you niggas know I'm killing it now. And I'm bringing the crown, cause I sit on the throne. Motherfuckers already know my pops ain't home.
Yeah, my nigga sitting on the throne. Your bitch calling his phone. Talking about you trying to suck on his dick. Don't. You know how we do. Eastside, we real niggas. We serving nicks and dimes and then them pills, niggas. We don't give a fuck. We just get your girl and fuck her in the butt. Then we treat her like a slut. Then we pass it to the next bucket of crabs. I don't give a fuck cause I slap your bitch ass. And we just do it how we do it. Living that life of them young college niggas. Yeah, we do this shit. Don't never say thugs and gangsters ain't in college cause I prove them wrong every time I spit knowledge.
And we keep smoking, niggas still loking, bitches still choking on wood. God damn it, I'm good, and I'm cold like ice. Yeah, I'm so rice. Better eat your rice, bitch, cause it's all wood. When I came through the spot, you know I keep it good, and we smoke that good, and we stay all good. What you know about the way that we be slinging that shit?
Yeah, and we be slinging that shit. This ain't no life. You can keep your cornbread with that shit. I'm about that real shit. That motherfucking disrespect, we will deal shit. We don't do this all the time. I'm really on the grind. I don't really say much. I'm just a cool big nigga, but I keep heavy bucks in my pocket. Anything about getting money, I'm about that profit. This how we do this. I ain't a prophet. I'm about this dope. You feel me? I'm raised in the church. But I keep the streets first cause I know where I need to be. I know what I'm supposed to do. I'm just living life like I'm supposed to do. Blowing on this loud. I ain't no fucking clown. Me and D-Mal about to get up out this thing like pow.